To run the LLMA model on Raspberry Pi, you have to first install OLLMA, and then once that is installed, you try to run TinyLlama using this command, which is OLLMA run TinyLlama. Okay, once you enter it, see, it asks for a send a message prompt here. So that means this is the prompt where you can ask it a question. Okay, let us see, what is your name? What is your name? Okay, let us see what it gives. You can see here it is trying to give the output. The one thing which we have observed is when we run this on a Raspberry Pi 3 model, the processor gets heated up a lot. But ensure that you have proper heat sink so that your processor doesn't get damaged. Raspberry Pi is costly, right? So it says my name is AI, however I don't have a human name. Okay, so this is what it is giving. Now let us ask, what is the processor you use? Let us see what it gives, whether this is referring to the Raspberry Pi board or whether it uses the generic model and gives the output. Yeah, you can see here when I said what is the processor you use, I do not have information about your specific machine, but most modern computers use CPU is what it is saying. So that means this model is installed with some specific information, and don't expect this model to be giving information about the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so for that we might have to train this model and provide updates, which we will talk in the next videos. Okay, so this is just to give a brief of how you can prompt a TinyLlama and what is the command that is required.